guys, it's me, Ayla Turu. So for today's video ay pupunta po kami sa Puno, sa Hongduan. So see you there guys. Puno 2025 present po ako. Uy! Last punta ko doon is Puno 2023. Hindi ako nakapunta noong 2024. So ngayong 2025 pupunta po ako. So see you there guys. Bye! May tatagal pa ba yan?
Ay na kami mga kakailan natin! Siyempre, kasama ako! Ang Mark Pida-Pida ng Nueva Vizcaya! Okay, let's go!
So guys, we are here at the entrance of the Puno. I'm so excited! Okay.
Ha? Hotdog!
So ayan, so kararating lang namin, sakto lang yung pagdating namin dito. O sakto lang yung pagdating namin kasi simula pa lang ng parada. So, bago po tayo pumunta doon sa baba is kailangan register na tayo doon. At alam nyo ba dito guys? For sale to?
This is 320. Okay. And this mug is 120.
Wala pong free taste.
Free taste. We have free taste here.
So may wine po dito guys, sa mismong entrance. So malalasing ka po muna bago ka bumaba. Charot lang.
Dito po.
So mag-hike pa po tayo guys hanggang doon. Mag-hike pa po tayo guys. So good luck sa mga paa namin. Parang low.
Parang napapagod na ako agad. Oh my God. Sobrang layo naman.
Vlogger na lahat. Oh, ay wala pa nga tayo doon. Sana, andito na kami. Grabe guys, ang daming tao not like nung 2023 na konti lang kami kasi umuulan no. Welcome to Puno Festival 2025! Ice cold! Sarabay! Don't you know, at Hongduan, every August, there is a festival that is celebrated. We call it Punok Festival, a festival that is very famous here in our province, Ifugao. Punok Festival is a vibrant celebration marking the end of harvest and a time of Thanksgiving. Set along the riverbanks, the festival is not just a feast, it's a cleansing rite for the community. Community take part in thrilling water games like Tug of War. We call in Ifugao Ginuyod. This is the famous game during the Punok Festival. And of course, the wrestling, the bultong, and the underwater breathing contest, we call that upuhan. But before the game begins, the munggapa of each team recites a sacred verse, which is ito yung hindi namin naabutan. A heartfelt plea to the gods for a successful ride. As the celebration ends, the kinaag, a human figure made from bundled rice stalks and decorated with dong olives, ito yun, is released into the river. Floating downstream, it symbolized that the community has once again completed a meaningful and successful punok. It's more than a festival, it's culture, unity, and spirit flowing with the river. At syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang mga bisita, kaya try din natin. You know, panalo! Sayang sapatos dyan!
Puno Festival 2025! Yay!
Bye guys! Thank you for the experience, Hongduan! Thank you for the experience, Hongduan! See you again next year! Yes, bye-bye! Taas! Taas! Andun pa! Success! Home from Punok! Oh my God!